Welcome to Session 5. The number line holds more than integers. Fractions, terminating decimals, and repeating decimals are rational numbers too. A rational number can be written as one integer divided by another non-zero integer. Today you will place signed fractions and decimals, convert to a common form for comparison, locate an improper fraction, and solve a real-world measurement comparison. An integer is rational because it can be written over 1. For example, 5 equals 5 over 1. The decimal negative 1.4 lies between negative 2 and negative 1. The fraction negative 3/4 equals negative 0.75, so it lies between negative 1 and 0. A reliable placement method has 2 steps. First, mark the surrounding integers, then divide that interval into equal parts or use the decimal value. Between which integers does negative 7/3 lie? Step 1. Divide 7 by 3. The result is 2 and 1/3. Step 2. Keep the negative sign, giving negative 2 and 1/3. Step 3. Identify the neighboring integers. Negative 2 and 1/3 is less than negative 2, but greater than negative 3. Therefore, negative 7/3 lies between negative 3 and negative 2. 1/3 of the interval left of negative 2. Compare negative 0.45 and negative 1/2. Step 1. Use a common form. Negative 1/2 equals negative 0.50. Step 2. Place negative 0.50 and negative 0.45 on the same interval. Step 3. Identify the point farther right. Negative 0.45 is farther right and closer to 0. Therefore, negative 0.45 is greater than negative 1/2. Compare negative 5/8 and negative 0.6. Step 1. Convert 5/8 to a decimal. 5 divided by 8 equals 0.625, so negative 5/8 is negative 0.625. Step 2. Compare negative 0.625 with negative 0.600. Step 3. The value closer to 0 is farther right. Negative 0.6 is greater, while negative 5/8 lies slightly farther left. Two sensors report changes of negative 3/4 of a degree and negative 0.8 degrees. Which change is greater? Step 1. Convert negative 3/4 to negative 0.75. Step 2. Compare negative 0.75 and negative 0.80. Step 3. Negative 0.75 is closer to 0 and farther right. Therefore, negative 3/4 of a degree is the greater reading, even though both changes are negative. Let's recap. Integers, fractions, and terminating or repeating decimals can all be rational. Mark surrounding integers before placing a value, and convert numbers to a common form before comparing. For a quick check, negative 3/4 equals negative 0.75, which is greater than negative 0.8. Keep practicing at bridge2exam.com. Visit www.bridgedoexam.com for the full lesson, practice questions, and instant feedback.